People of Jefferson, we've got a great announcement to make. Yesterday on Independence Day, July 4th, 2018, the legal team representing Citizens for Fair Representation, the state of Jefferson, filed a stay in the proceedings in the federal court for the Eastern District of California, and at the same time filed a petition for a writ of mandamus to the United States Supreme Court. It's very important that everyone understand what these filings mean and where they could lead us. The stay of the proceedings in the federal court was filed in order to stop the judge in the federal court for the Eastern District from ruling on motions she's taken under advisement until we have consideration from the United States Supreme Court. Our request for guidance from the Supreme Court in the form of a petition for a writ of mandamus has been filed. A writ of mandamus is a legal proceeding where we ask the Supreme Court to issue a writ of mandamus, which is a direction from a superior court to an inferior court, government agency, or government official directing them to take a specific action. We're asking two questions of the Supreme Court. First, can a single judge decide a motion to dismiss in a lack of apportionment, lack of representation case? Does a single trial judge have the jurisdiction to rule on a motion to dismiss? We don't believe that they do. And the second question we're asking is, can a judge, a chief judge from a district court, an appeals court, in effect interfere with the independent ruling of a single trial judge and issue a directive that that trial judge rescind the request for a three-judge court? Now, here's the issue at hand. Proceedings in the Supreme Court are very expensive and they're very onerous. For example, our legal team has to produce 60 book-bound volumes of our pleadings, our filings, and our evidence in order to present to the High Court. That's a very expensive process, and we need your help. We need you to donate. We need you to talk to local businesses, talk to your friends and neighbors, see whether we can get fund drives going and fundraisers going. We're coming to the part of the case that's so very important because it will determine whether we go to the United States Supreme Court, and that's a very important issue for state of Jefferson. Our window of opportunity is now. If you contribute, we can succeed. If we can afford to pay, we can probably win this case. Those who stand with us now deserve the thanks of every person in this state, because our hope is nothing less than to restore liberty for ourselves and our posterity. Thank you. The time has come for 51.